What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Mr. Salim Saleh, everybody that's up there, we haven't done anything. We are home. Police has invaded our house. They are shooting bullets. What have we done as Ugandans? What wrong have we done to you? What wrong have we done in our own country? We are tired of quarantine. Our police officers, you're supposed to serve and protect. 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 Our police, Ugandan police, is here right now shooting bullets at my house. Shooting bullets at my house. It doesn't matter who it is. Don't give them what they want. We are peaceful people. Everybody knows I am Pallaso. I'm peaceful. I am at my house. Bullets have been shot, Mr. President. Don't lock, Baleke. Do not lock anything. Recordings. Kakana. Ivan inaito shampurira. Kakana. Leka police kolechekola. Lero. Tuliaba. Zendimo na Uganda. Bantwale jibantwala. You're not Jontwala. So when the ne recording, go yagala kuntwala nzuno. Ne recording, I'm recording myself, bro. Go yagala kuntwala nzuno. Nzuno. Cho yagala nzuno. Banumbe wange sirina chenkoze. Kama bantwale. Lero yagala na igire kunze. Bantwale. Ntwala. Ntwala. Bantwale. Wendi bantwale. Henry, sagala fujo. Relax. Kakana. Tetwagala fujo. Tetwagala fujo. What's the freaking reason? Bakwaya reason. Tewali mbrichimunchi. Kama zendi Pallaso. Ono mafande wange wakuchalo tanjagala nchimanyi. Nchimanyi na reporting na data chimanyi. Ono mu respectinga nenje ogede nange bulungi nange njagala bampe chitibwe chingwanira. Sirina chenja. Sirina chenja. Miss Mutume. Madam Mutume, you are younger than me. Yes, I am a senior citizen. Why are your people acting like that? I have a sister that I've educated that's doing the same job.
I remember.
Sirina violence. Ivan bajja kukuba bano balalu. Mukakane bajja bakuba bano balalu recordinga. Mukakane Henry bajja kukuba kakana. 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 Mukakane. Galawa. Galawa, close the gate. Galawa. 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 It's okay. It's okay. Relax yourself. Relax yourself.
One thing. We have not come here because we want to come here. There are very many times we have been passing here and we don't come here. But we come here today.
But can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? No. Can I ask you something as well? No. You can say whatever you want. No, my brother.
We came here
my brother. No. That's not why you came here. That's not why you shot bullets here. That's not why you shot bullets. Si ensongalachi mukubya masasi. Si ensongalachi mukubya masasi mu neighborhood. Muze mu complaining ku noise mukubya masasi ekiro fete tuina mundu. Olabe bantwala. Obalaba. Mubalabe bansiko kuve wange. Mubalaba.